Stop working hard, start earning smart. The real reason most people stay broke. The hard work lie. Most people are tired. They wake up early. They rush to work. They work all day. They come home late. They repeat this every day. They are busy. They are stressed. They are exhausted, but they are still broke. This feels unfair, and it hurts. We were told a simple rule: work hard and you will succeed. Work harder and you will be rich. But real life looks different. Some people work the hardest, they earn the least. Other people work less, they earn more. This is not luck. This is not magic. This is not cheating. This is about how money really works. Hard work is not the problem. The problem is where your hard work goes. Most people sell their time. They trade hours for money. When time ends, money stops. This is the first trap. Time is limited. Money can grow. If your income depends only on time, your income has a ceiling. You can work 8 hours a day, maybe 10, maybe 12. But you cannot work 24 hours forever. Your body will break. Your mind will burn out. This is why many hard workers stay poor. They are trapped in a system that pays for effort, not for value. Effort feels good. Value pays better. This difference changes everything. Let's slow down and understand this clearly. Imagine two people. The first person works in a factory. They lift heavy things all day. They sweat. They feel pain. They get paid by the hour. The second person writes a simple online guide. They spend 1 month learning. They spend 1 month writing. That guide sells every day, even when they sleep. Who works harder each day? The factory worker. Who earns more over time? The guide creator. The difference is leverage. Leverage means one action creates many results. Hard work without leverage stays small. Smart work with leverage grows. Most people never learn this. School teaches obedience. School teaches effort. School teaches repetition. School does not teach income systems. School does not teach skills that scale. So people leave school and do the same thing. They work harder. They ask for overtime. They take second jobs. They feel proud. They feel responsible, but they are still stuck. This creates confusion. This creates anger. This creates self-blame. People say, I am not smart enough. I am not lucky enough. I am not talented enough. That is not true. They were just taught the wrong rules. Here is the truth.
Money does not reward effort. Money rewards value multiplied by scale. Let's repeat that. Money rewards value multiplied by scale. If your value is low, you must work many hours. If your scale is 0, you must be present every time. This is why many jobs feel like cages. You stop working, money stops. You get sick, money stops. You take a break, money stops. This creates fear. Fear makes people accept bad conditions. Fear makes people stay quiet. Fear makes people stay stuck. This is not freedom. Freedom comes from choice. Choice comes from income that does not depend only on time. Now let's talk about a dangerous word: busy. Busy sounds good. Busy sounds important. But busy often means directionless effort. You can climb fast, but on the wrong wall. Hard workers are great climbers. Smart earners choose the wall first. This is why some people run fast but go nowhere. They never stop to ask, is this work building something, or is it just keeping me alive? Survival work is not bad, but survival work alone will not change your life. You need growth work. Growth work feels strange at first. It feels slow. It feels uncertain. Growth work often pays nothing in the beginning. That scares people, so they stay busy instead. They choose comfort over progress. Comfort feels safe, but comfort keeps you broke. This is another hard truth. If your work feels safe all the time, it probably will not make you rich. Growth feels uncomfortable. Growth feels confusing, but growth changes your future. Now let's talk about skills. Not all skills are equal. Some skills are easy to replace, some skills are rare. If many people can do your job, your pay will stay low. This is not personal, this is math. High income comes from high-value skills. High-value skills solve big problems. High-value skills save time. High-value skills make money. Examples are everywhere. Writing that sells, design that converts, coding that scales, teaching that transforms. These skills can be learned. You do not need talent. You need patience. You need to learn slowly. You need to practice daily. Most people quit early. They say, "This is too hard. This is not for me." But they never gave it time. Hard work at a job feels normal. Hard work learning feels painful. But only one of these builds leverage. Now think about this question. If you stop working today, what happens to your income tomorrow? If the answer is 0, you are still in the trap. This does not mean you failed. It means you are early. Everyone starts here. The problem is staying here forever. This is why the title matters.
Stop working hard. Start earning smart. This does not mean stop effort. It means change the target of effort. Work hard on skills that grow. Work hard on systems that scale. Do not just work hard at tasks that repeat. Repeating tasks keep you busy. Building assets sets you free. Assets are not only money. Skills are assets. Knowledge is an asset. Audience is an asset. These assets work even when you rest. That is the goal. In this first part, you learned the core problem. Hard work alone is not enough. Time-based income is limited. Busy does not mean successful. Part 2. Learning to earn smart. If hard work is not enough, what should you do instead? The answer is simple, but not easy. You must earn smart. Earning smart means your effort creates more value over time. It means 1 hour today can pay you many times in the future. This is the opposite of trading time for money. Let us break this down slowly. Smart earning is built on 3 pillars: skills, leverage, systems. You do not need all 3 at once. You start with 1. The first and most important is skills. Skills are the bridge. They take you from worker to earner. But not every skill will change your life. You must choose skills that grow with use. Low-income skills pay once. High-income skills pay again and again. Think about cleaning. You clean a room, you get paid. The job ends. Now think about writing. You write 1 article, it can be read for years. The same effort, very different result. This is why skill choice matters. High-income skills share common traits. They are hard to master, they create value at scale, and they solve problems that matter. Examples include writing that persuades, speaking that influences, design that converts attention, programming that automates work. These skills are not magic. They are learnable. Most people never learn them because they look scary. They require thinking, they require practice, they require patience, but they reward you with freedom. Now here's an important rule. You do not need many skills. You need 1 valuable skill. 1 skill learned deeply. Most beginners make a mistake. They try to learn everything. They jump from topic to topic. This creates motion without progress. Choose 1 skill, commit to it for a year. 1 year of focused effort beats 10 years of distraction. Now let us talk about leverage. Leverage is the reason smart earners win. Leverage means your work reaches more people without more effort.
There are different types of leverage: media leverage, code leverage, capital leverage. As a beginner, media leverage is the easiest. Media means content, text, audio, video. You create once. Many people consume it. This multiplies your impact. You do not need fame. You need clarity. Clear ideas spread. This is why teaching is powerful. When you learn something, you share it. You explain it simply. Simple explanations create trust. Trust creates opportunity. Opportunity creates income. This is how smart earners grow. Slowly, naturally. Now let us talk about systems. A system is a repeatable process. Jobs are tasks. Systems produce results. A job needs you present. A system works with or without you. For example, a system could be learn a skill, create content about the skill, offer a simple product. This system runs every week. You improve it slowly. Over time, results compound. This is the secret most people never learn. Small, smart actions compound faster than big, hard actions. Compounding is quiet. It is invisible at first. This is why beginners quit. They do not see results quickly. But smart earners understand delay. They know today's effort pays later. This mindset is rare. Now let us talk about fear. Fear stops smart earning. Fear of failure, fear of looking stupid, fear of starting late. These fears feel real, but they are stories. Every expert was once a beginner. Every earner once earned nothing. The difference is not courage. The difference is consistency. Consistency beats talent. 10 minutes a day for a year beats 10 hours once a month. Smart earning is boring. It is not dramatic. It is not fast. But it works. Another mistake people make is waiting for permission. They wait for a boss. They wait for a certificate. They wait for confidence. Confidence comes after action, not before. You learn by doing. You earn by sharing. Now let us connect this back to being broke. Most people stay broke because they never build assets. They spend everything they earn. They save time but not skills. When trouble comes, they have nothing to fall back on. Smart earners build quietly. They build skills after work. They build systems on weekends. They say no to comfort today to say yes to freedom tomorrow. This is the trade. Smart earning does not mean quitting your job today. It means preparing your exit. Slowly, safely. 1 hour a day. That's enough. 1 hour learning, 1 hour building. This hour compounds. This is how the trap breaks. Not with luck, not with motivation, with smart effort applied in the right direction.
Part 3. The Simple Path Out. Now you understand the truth. Hard work is not the enemy. Blind hard work is. Smart earning is not about doing more. It is about doing the right things consistently. This final part will give you a clear path, not theory, not motivation talk. A simple system you can follow. No matter your age, no matter your background, no matter your English level. Let us begin with clarity. You do not need to escape overnight. You do not need to risk everything. You only need direction. Most people fail because they try to change everything at once. Smart earners change one thing at a time. Step 1 is awareness. Look at your current life. Look at your daily routine. Ask one honest question. What part of my day builds my future? If the answer is none, that is the real danger. Not poverty, not low income, no future growth. Now step 2 is choice. You must choose one skill. Do not choose what sounds cool. Do not choose what is popular today. Choose what matches 3 rules. It can be learned online. It can be practiced alone. It can be shared with others. Examples include writing, speaking, editing, design. Simple skills, powerful when mastered. You do not need passion, you need commitment. Passion grows with progress. Now step 3 is learning. Learn like a beginner. Slow, patient, curious. Do not rush. Do not compare. 30 minutes a day is enough. Read, watch, practice. Practice is the key. Most people consume information. Few people apply it. Application builds confidence. Confidence creates momentum. Step 4 is output. This step scares people. Output means sharing. You do not need perfection. You need honesty. Share what you learn. Explain it simply. Teach beginners like yourself. This builds clarity. This builds trust. Trust leads to opportunity. You do not need millions of people. You need a few who care. Step 5 is consistency. Consistency is boring. Consistency is powerful. Do the same small actions daily. Learn, build, share, even when you feel nothing, especially when you feel nothing. This is where most people quit. Smart earners stay. They understand the delay. Results come later. Now let us talk about money. Money is a tool, not a goal. Chasing money creates stress. Building value creates money. Focus on value first. Income follows value. When you help people, you create leverage. This is the real secret.
Now let us remove some excuses. You might think, I'm too old. I'm too young. My English is bad. I have no time. These are stories. Time exists. It is just used elsewhere. Social media eats hours. Distraction steals focus. You do not need more time. You need fewer distractions. Another truth. Comfort is expensive. Comfort costs your future. Short-term pleasure creates long-term pain. Smart earners choose discomfort early. They learn when others relax. This is not punishment. This is investment. Now imagine your future. Imagine 1 year from now. You have a skill. You have clarity. You have confidence. Your income is not perfect, but it is growing. That is power. Power removes fear. Fear keeps people broke. Smart earning creates calm. Calm creates better decisions. Better decisions change lives. This is not a fantasy. This happens every day. Quietly, without attention. People escape the trap by building something small, then improving it, again and again. This is how smart earning works. Not fast, not flashy, but real. Now let us return to the title. Stop working hard, start earning smart. This does not mean stop trying. It means stop wasting effort. Put your energy into assets. Put your focus into skills. Let time work for you. This is the real reason most people stay broke. They never learned this path. Now you have. The question is simple. Will you stay busy or will you build? The choice is yours, and the path is clear.
If this message hit you, then don't just watch and leave. Like this video, share it to someone who needs this wake up, and subscribe to this channel. Study yourself 1 hour a day. We are building a different breed here, a new generation of doers, people who don't wait for permission, people who build themselves daily, people who compound quietly and become untouchable over time. Hit subscribe, join the movement. 1 hour a day, every day. And in 1 year, your future self will not recognize you anymore. Let's grow. Let's execute. Let's dominate our own potential. Subscribe now and start becoming the person nobody can compete with.